progress monitoring checks are crucial for the early years of education, especially pre-K through second grade. With ESGI, you can easily track student progress and get useful insights to help guide your teaching. It is our goal that you have visibility into progress at the class, group, and student levels. At the class level, you can see that we have added these widgets to show you the average performance of your entire class. You can customize your home screen by adding additional widgets. We have questions answered, time per question, and untested students. With those added, you can now see all of the metrics for your entire class. Providing this information allows us to surface trends in student performance that you can then investigate and drill down further to make the best decisions on instruction for your class. At the student level, you can see that the widget has now changed to average performance student in the blue and class. You can compare the student to the class using this delta. At the student level, you can also see all of the test cards listed below here. We are looking at the expanded view, which shows you a lot of pieces of information that you may want to look at about each student. So we have their performance on uppercase letters here compared to the class average here. Questions that are on this test, the average session time for this student, how many sessions have been given to the student for uppercase letters, and the last test date. This is the test button here to easily launch the test. You also have another way to view the test card. You can use the classic view. Many teachers tell us they like to use this when they are showing the students their performance. You can see here that the pie chart looks a little bit different. Also, the test card is smaller, more of them fit on one view. Now let's take a look at the test dashboard. By clicking on any of the cards, you are now able to see data about this particular test and this particular student. You can see that we have the same metrics that you saw on the home screen, but as we scroll down, you can see there are a variety of other data points that you can see. This one here is the test history, showing each time that the student has taken the test. You can also see the item analysis listed here and the test sessions. You can also see the progress over all the marking periods with score, percentage, and grade scale if chosen. Down below are all the sessions for each one of the tests. You can click here and get more information about what the student got correct and incorrect. This test dashboard offers you the essential performance data and the power to analyze your students, groups, and classes for each one of your tests. We hope you find it as useful as we do.